my fellow crocheters. I'm making this video to show you some of the basic tools for you to use to start and end a crochet project. For those of you that's just wanting to start a project and has never done crocheting before, this is a little helpful information you will need to know. First of all, you will need crochet hooks, and crochet hooks come in many different sizes. You have from very large to very teeny tiny crochet hooks. Most patterns will call for different styles and sizes of hooks and yarn. So you will have to read your pattern and find out what size hook you will need and what size yarn you will need for what you are making. Such as this. This hat on here requires for you to have size 4 medium worsted weight yarn. Your hook for this will be a 5mm, a US H hook. So when you're picking your hook, you have to make sure you'll have a size H with 4 medium worsted weight yarn for this hat. And the hat, the pattern for this is on the inside. So yeah, if you was making this, that would be what you need to make this hat. You would also need a tapestry needle. This is a tapestry needle. It has the big fat end on it so you can put your yarn through it and sew in your ends when you are done with your collar or your pattern and all. You can sew in your ends with this needle. You would need one of those. You would also need, in some cases, a stitch marker. Stitch marker is used to mark stitches, obviously. Usually when you're crocheting in the round, you will need something to help mark your stitches. And this is one way to do it. It slides onto your stitch and there you go. Some cases you will also need to have a tape measure. Sometimes you'll need to measure your stitches to see how big or small your stitch will be for your pattern, especially if you're making things such as blouses or skirts, what have you. You'll need to know the size of your stitch and the gauge and everything, so that will help you out in that matter. And then you'll need the different size of yarns. There's many different sizes of yarns. As I said before, many different sizes of hooks. You'll just have to pick the pattern you want that comes with whatever size yarn or hooks that you want to do. I hope that helps out. If you have any questions about crocheting or anything else, please leave a comment down below and I will get back to you with it. And then my next video will be on how to make a chain, to crochet a chain for beginners, and that will be coming out really soon. Thank you very much and have yourself a wonderful day.